us and just learning and doing something fun that we all enjoy. This has definitely been one of the most memorable experiences for me, dancing till 3 a.m. and all, which we'll see later on. But thank you all for making it so amazing and coming out to participate. So let's get this party going.
Alright, so speaking of dancing till 3 a.m. Alright, now let's go for a highlight of the event. So let's take this opportunity to just look back at the events we had in the last 24 hours. So first we'll start off with our first workshop, which was Hackathons 101, run by JMO, where we went over the basics of hackathons, including tips and how to make a good video for your hack. Then we did the computer facts Kahoots. That was fun. Uh, we did a chess tournament, and then we had another workshop after that, learning how to use the speech to text web in a project. We had Jack's Ball game, in which the audience won, which still makes me mad. I don't understand why that's allowed. The
That's better
incredible time
than
with
you.
DJ VRP, which is from was supposed to end in 30 minutes, went significantly longer than that because it was too lit. Neil's early morning walk at Professor's Lake, Jamel's breakfast session, which reminded us all that we need to eat. The final workshop on Firebase hosting, the three really fun challenges that made us use our brains a little bit if you weren't so far, and finally, as we come to the close of the event, Banana Hacks 2021. I want everyone to be proud of what you did this weekend. It was an amazing event, and it wouldn't have been the same without all of you. So hopefully, Banana Hacks 2021 sticks with you all, and we hope to see you again, in person, of course, next year at Banana Hacks 2022.
So next up, we're going to be talking about the different game and challenge winners that we had this hackathon. So starting off, for the Kahoot, our winner clean sweep the entire every single round. Evan Wild, congrats to him. For the chess tournament, congratulations to Prayag Shah for winning. Congratulations to Kushi for winning in Madverse City in one of the first Jackbox games. And congratulations to whoever was in the audience during the trivia party for Jackbox as well. And in addition to that, congratulations to all of the challenge winners as well. So Karmpi Raja for winning the Netflix knockoff challenge, Ian Wood for winning the scavenger hunt, and again Karmpi Raja second prize for winning Clash of Code. Congratulations to you guys.
Before we continue, we want to thank all of our sponsors, without whom none of this would have been possible. Sorry about that. Without whom none of this would have been possible. Next slide. So firstly, our diamond sponsors. City of Brampton and the Brampton Innovation District are our proud title sponsors for this event. Brampton is one of the Canada's youngest and most diverse cities, home to over 234 cultures, speaking 115 languages, and more than 130,000 youth within the ages of 14 to 29. The City of Brampton has prioritized innovation and entrepreneurship to foster jobs and technological breakthroughs in our world-class innovation district. Brampton's workforce gives us competitive edge and makes us a natural leader for attracting, developing, and retaining new jobs and talent. They invite you to come and visit them, work with them, and be a part of what they're building in Brampton Innovation District. They have so much to offer youth and entrepreneurs. Learn more about the Brampton Innovation District and join the Brampton City, their Slack channel, to become part of their growing innovation, tech, and entrepreneur community. You can also visit the Brampton Youth Support Task Force website to explore the opportunities and resources available to you once again. Lastly, we want to thank the City of Brampton and Brampton Innovation District for being one of our amazing title sponsors.
All right, now on to our other amazing title sponsor, Algoma University. At Algoma University, they celebrate the values, personalities, and convictions that make each of us unique because they also bring us together. If you're looking for a university that understands you, that will leverage your career intentions, and be your partner along the way, where faculty are ready to share their knowledge and conviction, then Algoma U is the right place for you. With state of the art technology and computer labs, along with small class sizes and one on one interactions with faculty, Algoma U has a reputation for having a world class computer science program. A large component of their computer science program is creativity and innovation. Students are able to create new designs and explore their wildest imaginations. Computing drives innovation in sciences, but also developments in engineering, business, entertainment, and education. Many who want to make a positive difference in the world around them study computer science. To learn more about Algoma University School of Computer Science and Technology or their growing downtown campus, please visit at algomaau.ca slash about slash our campuses overview slash Brampton slash.
Now, the last one is not a sponsor, but the organizing team that has stayed up the last 28 hours, our very own North Park Hack Club. We are the North Park Hack Club, a chapter of Hack Club International that work to inspire, teach, and motivate all coders at North Park Secondary School, be it beginner or experienced. Our club is run entirely by senior students of North Park Secondary School. We host weekly virtual meetings on Thursday after school at 2:40 p.m. where you can join based on how experienced you are as a coder. We have the beginner room which will help novices get started by learning how to code in Python. If you're up for a bit of a challenge, we also have the competitive room where members prepare for upcoming computing competitions. Lastly, we have the advanced development room made for those who are experienced in coding and are looking for something new, challenging and interesting. So if you're interested, be sure to join. And starting September, be sure to stay on the lookout for North Park Hack Club member sign up. The link will be posted on our social media, the My School Day app, and you can also reach out to any of the leads or executive members of the clubs. And happy hacking.
Now, on our gold sponsors, Wolfram One is the world's first fully integrated cloud desktop hybrid integrated computation platform. The core of their technology stack is the Wolfram language, which builds on 3 decades of development and represents a new direction in programming that happens to be absolutely ideal for hackathons. For more information, visit education.wolfram.com/programs. Our second gold sponsor is Youth Culture. Youth Culture's goal is to amplify the youth's voice and engage young people in industry, innovation, as well as relevant and meaningful conversation. They host workshops, podcasts, and industry leading internships. You can find out more about them at youthculture.com. Our final gold sponsor is Softtech Integrated Solutions Incorporated. They're a local business that designs, plans, and installs security systems for businesses and homeowners across the GTA.
And finally, a big thank you to all of our standard sponsors, including Egghead.io, Hack Club, and Sticker Mule.
And of course, we also want to give a big thank you to all of our judges, including Annie Yang, Johnny Lubenzon, Saniha Ahmed, Serena Correa, and Tristan Costa. They worked very hard to figure out which teams deserve to win today, and they all told us to keep in mind that despite that, all of you are winners because all of you did amazing throughout this weekend.
All right, it is the time that all of you have been waiting for. It is time to announce the winners. We will go on a one by one basis and start off and build the suspense a little bit. So let's hit the next slide. Little drum roll, please. We have the top five. Come on, let's go. Finalists, not in order. So you may be top three, or you also may be honorable mentions. So these are the top five finalists. Monkey Host, congratulations. Learnamize, Reactor Factor, Neighborhood Network, Food Banks, Rations Manager, All of you are the top five finalists. Stay tuned to figure out who came third, second, and first. Let's go. Congratulations. And stay tuned for the other prizes.
So we're gonna start off by talking about some of the
And
miscellaneous winners, and let's get started.
all right, to start off, we have the best hardware hack. There weren't many, but we've got many. We've got a few, so let's hear it. The best hardware hack. Little drum roll, please. Click the slide. It is Monkey Host. Congratulations, Monkey Host, for winning the best hardware hack. This was done by Amr Sana. I apologize if I pronounce your name wrong. Mustafa Hussein, Shanawaz Khan, Chavez Khan. Also, just note to all the winners, we will be contacting you after the closing ceremonies at some point in time to let you know about your prizes. But congratulations, Monkey Host, for the best hardware hack.
Now we're just gonna play a quick demo about their video.
Monkey Host. Monkey Host is a program that allows a host to use a Discord bot to plan and organize events. Using this bot, the host can schedule events, allow attendants to RSVP, send notification when the event is full, know how many people are currently at the event, and additionally, they can detect incoming guests due to its cooperation with the TensorFlow library. So how does this work?
So as for how this works, I want to discuss how it works from a software perspective. So the software itself, we're basically creating a Discord bot using the Discord API. This bot can be connected to a Discord server to get the RSVP of any user. So for example, if a user wants to RSVP for an event, what that's happening, or the organizers of for example, like moderating Discord server, members are able to RSVP for the event using the command, which is $sign RSVP, and then that's followed by the name, so that the program is able to attach a name to the time frame that the people are coming in, the numbers, such that the organizers can reach them, the time that they're coming at, such that the program can use that later on, sharp later on. As for how we're able to monitor who comes in, we're basically just using a simple monitoring system using the Arduino Uno, which we'll talk about more from the hardware perspective later on. But as for the Arduino Uno, it's basically just there along with the time that's set by the user in the RSVP in order to kind of suggest to the program when it should start looking using the webcam. The webcam basically just uses a machine learning convolutional neural network, which we trained using the TensorFlow library. And basically what it's able to do, it's able to detect if a person is in the frame, and the way it does it just keeps checking. And we're also just able to record the feed. So it basically just keeps checking if there's a person there, if, for example, if it's 10 minutes before the time frame or 10 minutes after the time that was given, or if the opening window itself detects any movement, which is how we want it to do it. So right now I'll kind of show how it works pretty briefly. So as for the bot, we basically have a Discord bot that we start basically, if I start it off, let's see if it's ready. And then now if I just basically say, for example, RSVP, same to that one before, it ends up giving me a confirmation. This confirmation is sent to a private channel that only the bots can see. And then we're able to go in, and then we have a JSON file that's updated with the name and time. And then basically what should be happening is we have this main file that's running in the background. And if for example the user is coming in at the same time, if the time right now is close to the time frame, it starts checking by basically calling on our check file. And then it has two functions, start search, which basically just starts checking, and if it basically sees faces for in 5 frames right after each other, for if they're all between 10 to 15 seconds of each other, it basically returns true. And then after that, we're able to retrieve the videos into this file, which is a video file. So now we'll move on to talk about the hardware.
So with the hardware this Arduino Uno, we connected it to an ultrasonic motion sensor. The sensors are basically placed in front of the doorway or at the entrance of wherever the location may be to detect that incoming movement is passing through it. So this basically provides a program and host of an idea of what the guests at the door are, or when the guests are at the door.
So now we will discuss our future plans for this application. We want to look forward to build a database to incorporate and store user information when a large event is held, such as a school event. We can also use an application, such as the iOS or Android application, that can be built and send notifications to the host and guests of when the party is happening or when guests are arriving.
And once again, congratulations to Monkey Host for winning. The next prize is the Best Discord Bot Award. And the winner of the Best Discord Bot Award is Danny Covito by Christian LaForce and Justin Dillon.
And my name is Christian. And for this hackathon, we developed Danny Covito. Danny Covito is a Discord bot that is built with the Java Discord API. It uses the Wolframe 1 API, Track Corona API, COVID-19 dataset, Class Path API, JSON, and JSoup API. We decided to do a COVID-19 tracking app because COVID-19 is affecting everyone in the world right now, and we wanted to educate people on the current situation across the world and what other countries, provinces, states, cities, and communities, and others are going through with COVID-19. It may seem like Discord is not the ideal platform for something like this. Discord has over 150 million active users a month in 2021, and is still growing very fast. Around the world, people have access to COVID-19 information easily with just one command. How amazing is that, compared to websites where you can search on Google, click a link, and then search the location? Let's not forget about the annoying ads. Danny Carvito has no ads. It's super easy to use, and we use Discord's latest features, buttons. This is a very new feature and is very advanced for a Discord bot to have. We chose a Discord bot because it's very easy compared to complex websites, as I said before. All you have to do is type !COVID talk, and then the country in 2-letter short form, and boom, you know all of the cases in each province or state. When you type just !COVID talk, you'll see the leaderboard for the most cases. If you press the button labeled International Graph, you'll see a very detailed graph which is updated every 2 hours showing the increase or decrease of current cases. We have tested every possibility and made sure that Danny Covito will never experience error. This is a very unique Discord bot, as most of COVID-19 Discord bots only track one country or international only, but our bot tracks both ways and provincially, while also displaying graphs for our users to ensure they know if the cases are going up or down. We are very happy with Danny Covito and to learn so much from this, as this was our first hackathon. We learned how to use the Wolframe 1 API to display graphs on our bot as well as others. Issues we faced when creating this were that many APIs were inconsistent and did not work well with Java, but we managed to fix them. Another issue we faced was working at a fast pace when separated during the COVID-19 pandemic, but we used tools like IntelliJ Code with Me, as well as Discord itself. Features we plan on adding in the future are more country data, as a lot of countries have their data on websites that you cannot access. Another feature we plan on adding is region and even zip code based data, as well as vaccine clinical information. Using Danny Covito is very simple. The commands are as follows. Type !COVID or whatever you want to then implement it and he will respond. For example, COVID
once again, congratulations to Danny Clovito for winning.
Okay, and now the next prize is the best solo hack. We had a lot of team hacks, but these people work solo, and obviously that's much more difficult. They had way less people, and yet still managed to make a pretty good product. So the winner of the best solo hack is Reactor Factor, and this is by Raj Patel. Congratulations.
The reactor factor. What the reactor factor does is that it solves a very specific problem, and the problem that it solves is that 1 in 5 people, aged 15 years or above, so around 23% of the Korean population, have actually had one disability or more. And when you actually think about it, that's absolutely insane. And due to these disabilities, they have lost their hand-eye coordination, their reaction time, and therefore cannot do any activities. So what the reactor factor is that it's mainly full focus on the community which is disabled but is meant for anyone in the community. So what it does is that it helps you increase your reaction time and hand information by repetition. So for example, the more you play a sport, the more you're better at it. Same logic applies the reactor factor. So the solution. So what my solution is that I will have a picture on the screen, and every time you click on the picture, it will move randomly towards the screen. Now let me show you what I mean by that. So here's the reactor factor. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. So welcome, reaction time. So this is like what reactor factor is, and these are our modes: easy, medium, hard, and impossible. With the easy mode, when you click on it, it will basically redirect you to this page. And once you click start reactor factor, which I will do, it will show your attempt number on this specific mode. And every time you click a picture, what it does is that it basically teleports, or it randomizes a specific point on the page, and it travels there. So not only with easy mode, but you can also do this with medium mode, hard mode, and impossible mode. If you have realized that the pictures get smaller and smaller, and so do the time limit, so that's why it's more harder. So let me do this easy mode by myself. And if you see on the right, you could see the amount of clicks that are performed and the attempt number that I get on this specific mode. So let me just go back since I'm done. I don't want to finish. I don't want to finish the full 30 seconds. So if you just scroll down, you can check the progress. And by doing this, you just select the button, and it redirects you to another page which says this is your in progress section. Click on it's your progress section. So now since we did the easy mode, what it does is that it shows like a graph, which basically shows your reaction time for the easy mode. If you go on medium mode, it shows for medium mode, and not like home page, it directs you back home page. So now let's talk about third party code. So the third party code that I use is that the UI that you see is actually third party, but I did have to tweak it in order so it met all my facilities what I wanted. And for the progress section, the sidebar, I keep that Udemy schools, and that's my code.
Alright, now we'll be announcing the beginner winners. So we have two prizes, the runner-up beginner and the best beginner hack. So we'll get into it. So the runner-up beginner hack goes to Invenio Hub. So congratulations to Invenio Hub. This was created by Harsh Shukla, Jay Patel, Srinivas Vankari, and Vivek Shah. And then we can move on to the next, which is the best beginner hack.
So the best beginner hack at Banana Hacks is Rain.io by Anish Gita, Brampreet Mondar, and Vignesh Ala.
And now it's time to announce the overall top 3 winners of Banana Hacks 2021. So, the winner for third place for Banana Hacks is Learnamize by Colin Chen, Evan Wild, and Ross Clearly. Congratulations.
We created Learnamize, an application that modernized Israel's student learning. In recent years, the demand for virtual learning infrastructure has skyrocketed. As we all know, the coronavirus pandemic has shut down many essential services, education being one of them. Not only that, but a year before the pandemic, the provincial government of Ontario announced a plan to make e-learning a bigger part of the province's education system. A major part of this e-learning is the remote support that schools offer on Google Meets after the school day. The system is difficult, inefficient, and presents many issues. For one, the students often greatly outnumber the teachers. This makes it difficult for teachers to manage which students receive help at any given time. What makes it especially difficult is that there are often teachers and instructors who are only capable of offering help to certain grades, which makes it hard to efficiently decide which instructors will help which students and in what order. This difficult system often discourages students from seeking after-school help. And when they do, the process is often not smooth, and students do not get as much help as they should. Learnamize is an application that manages a list of teachers and a queue of students during an extra help session after school, and instantly matches a suitable instructor with the student. To make the matching as effective as possible, students and teachers enter each the grade that they are in or the grade that they teach, and this ensures that it only matches schools with teachers that will be able to offer extra help. In addition, to make the waiting as fair as possible, students who join earliest will be matched with an instructor first. We believe that Learnamize will be extremely beneficial to the after-school help communities at individual schools as well as the education community as a whole. As e-learning becomes more prevalent in our communities every day, we believe that Learnamize will motivate many students to seek help and succeed academically during the pandemic and years beyond. Here, I have 2 tabs open over the homepage. I'll start by logging into a student account to demonstrate how they ask questions. Simply, enter the email you signed up with along with the password. You'll be redirected to the homepage where you can now ask for help. Enter the grade level of your question. For example, a grade 10 math question about trigonometry. You'll automatically be entered into a queue, which can be left open in the browser while you continue to use your computer. Now it's time for another tab to log in as an instructor. We select Instruct and enter information about the maximum grade level we can teach, and what the link is for our link chat. Behind the scenes, our key level students and instructors based on how long they will learn and what grade levels they can teach. And as you can see, after it figures out who should teach who, both grades are notified, and a button appears on the instructor side to show them when the chat ended. Once they click it, the duration of the call will be recorded and added to the instructor's history, so we can have showing proof of their volunteering.
And for best overall runner up, we are excited to announce that the winners are Food Bank's Rations Manager by Gurleen Minde, Karanpreet Raja, Rushil Deep, and Sovish Singh. Congratulations to you four for making the best overall project in Banana Hacks for 2021.
Food Bank Rations Manager. So if I have to sum up our project into one sentence, it would simply be a program that calculates personalized rations for each person based on nutritional needs, along with inventory management for a healthier and more efficient food bank. Importance to the community. With our food bank management, we can generate nutritionally balanced meals to help improve the quality of life of commuters and provide a number of health benefits, including but not limited to improvements in cardiovascular health, immune and metabolic functions, and bone health. Our solution also helps combat a myriad of deficiencies and diseases caused by poor diets and a lack of food stability. To highlight one example, one third of families using food bank services have a family member with diabetes, and having a healthy diet can go a long way towards managing the disorder.
To overview, our food bank ration management system can provide higher quality meals tailored to individual needs. It enables users to use personalized accounts to have designated foods.
So this is our actual website itself. As you can see on the main page, it provides an inventory list of all the current inventory. Here, the admin staff of the food bank can quickly analyze what's in stock and what they may need more of in the near future. And they can also quickly add new inventory. Let's say like they get more milk, they can quickly update it and just add 20 more milk. And the database will dynamically update itself. And then this other feature is it'll take the information of the person and make a dynamic meals for them. So here I'll just enter some information that will we can test the system with. And here we can select the number of days that they'll need the food for, and they'll provide a meal plan for them. So here you can see for 3 days, they'll give them 4 cans of black beans, 4 canned beet, 3 assorted nuts, 4 cereal, and just like specially curated milk. And this will ensure that they meet all of the nutritional info, and there's a in the future we hope to add stuff like allergies as well to this algorithm. If we go to the code itself,
I'll be explaining the code. So basically, our program starts off by taking the person's health statistics such as age, height, weight, and other factors, and calculates the required daily intake of general calories, iron, magnesium, vitamin C, zinc, calcium, and vitamin D. Our program then generates multiple randomized meal plans that meet the person's calculated recommended calorie intake. The program then proceeds to grade each randomly generated meal plan on how they meet the other recommended intakes such as iron, magnesium, vitamin C, zinc, calcium, vitamin D, as previously mentioned. And this is actually based on a point system that I created. And basically, the best meal plan is selected, and then it's chosen. It's added to the actual list that you guys saw at the end after Rushul here submitted the meal plan thing. And our program also adjusts the actual database that holds the inventory values. Anyways, Rushul, do you want to explain the other things?
and as you can see, there's the 3 main pages for our website. There's the home page that has the current inventory list, as well as the forum where you can add information about the person that's receiving the meal. There's the page that displays what they should get, and then there's the inventory adjustment one where you can add any new inventory. And
10 seconds.
And everything is done through Python and Flask, as you can see at the bottom here. This is how we're
And thank you, guys.
combining Python.
Alright, just waiting on the school to start up again. Okay, sorry. The stream wasn't loading. Alright, it is time. It is time to announce the people you've all been waiting for, a people or person. The Banana Hacks 2021 overall winner, the champions of this year's Banana Hacks. Let's go. Let's hear it. Click on the next slide. And the winner is Neighborhood Network by Dev Patel, Jay Prakash Pathak, Pratham Pathak, and Tirth Nagar. Congratulations for you guys for winning first place. I believe this was also a beginner team. So congratulations on making such a wonderful project. And let's go ahead and see what their project was about.
Team. Our theme for today's project is meal, and that's why we have combined the topic of mental wellness. Mental wellness is a very important topic, and with the help of our program, we will try to solve that problem. The web app involves the community to participate in different activities and stay mentally healthy in these tough times.
Our website, Neighborhood Network, is a platform where people can come together and talk to one another to express their beliefs on social issues present within the local community. This helps the community as a whole, as it gives people a chance to bring up any unknown issues. Another way the local community benefits is that it improves social relationships between many people within it, which can help reduce any stress people are feeling during these hard times. This is different from Zoom and others, as you can make specific group chats with community members and join meetings anonymously without any hassles.
By being in a private anonymous meet, Neighborhood Network is the most secure platform to have an email. Each entry will produce a different login and a code, which makes it safe and secure for the user.
Hello, my name is Jay. This is our product called Neighbor Network. Neighbor Network is a platform where people can come and talk to others to express their emotions within the community. This is our website here, and as you enter the homepage, you're greeted with three options: about, rooms, and logging as guest. But also access. You can also click on a button called Let's Talk, which is our video chat app. You scroll down, you can look at something called featured rooms. And these are rooms where people can join in for some particular topic, whether it be music, therapy, fitness, gaming, or as well as study groups. So let's say you want to log in as a host, which means that I want to host an event where people can join, or a room where people can join in and have a discussion. So let's click on login as a host. And this opens up a login page where I can register if I'm a new user, or I can log in if I already have an account here. For this example, for this purpose, I'm just going to create an account. So I'll just put in some information, my password, and I'll create terms, and click on register. Now I can log in with those credentials. Now I'm in. This is our video chat app. Now I can put in my name. I can access a call. I can copy my ID and send it to my friend so he can call me. I can call someone else. Anything's possible here. This is our video chat app. Now, for example, if I can show you. This is our video chat app called Neighbor Network. And here you can have face-to-face communication through our video cam as well as a microphone. I can access my name here. I can copy my ID so I can send it to my friend or someone who I want to talk to. In this example, I'm going to be calling one of my other teammates. So I put in their ID and I click on call. On their end, they will receive a message at the bottom from someone who's calling you with the name present. And you can wait for them to accept it. There you go. That's Dev. And now we're able to communicate, show our webcam, real time, everything like that. And you can also hang up the call, as well as you can have a talk, you can see who the person is. In this case, I'm going to hang up now. Bye, Dev. We're here now, back on this page. So that's our video chat app. We go back to our website here. And so now we're also able to access what we have to call featured rooms. And that's basically where you can enter a room where for a particular topic, for music, therapy. In this case, let's just go into gaming. And now I'm in. And now if someone else, in this case scenario, is not loaded in because the host of that call is not online. So once they become online, for example, someone who's going to host that group, they will have to host it. Once they host it, they get all set up and the person's able to join. So this is our demo. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah.
For login for HTML, we used it to lay out the foundation of the login page. And then for CSS, we used it for styling. And then for JavaScript, we used it to run functions to retrieve and save in local storage. And then this is the website HTML for the foundation. And then this is the React for the web app, while we also use JavaScript to get the functionality done. We hope you liked our project, and thank you for watching.
Once again, thank you to all of our sponsors, Algoma University, the City of Brampton, and the Brampton Innovation District, the North Park Hack Club, Softtech Integrated Solutions Incorporated, Youth Culture, Wolfram Language, Egghead.io, Sticker Mule, and Hack Club. And finally, thank you to all of you for making this event such a great experience. We hope to see you again in person next year at Banana Hacks 2022.